Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make miso paste. First, gather your essential ingredients: soybeans, koji, salt, and water. The process involves soaking, cooking, mixing, and a patient fermentation period. You'll discover that homemade miso offers a depth of flavor and quality unmatched by store-bought varieties. It's a rewarding culinary journey that yields a versatile and delicious condiment. To begin, you'll need 500 grams of dried soybeans. Soak these overnight, then cook them until they are very tender. Next, prepare 250 grams of rice koji, which is essential for fermentation. Finally, measure out 120 grams of good quality sea salt. These precise measurements are key to achieving the perfect balance and flavor in your homemade miso. Once your soybeans are cooked, mash them well, then combine them with the koji and salt. Mix everything thoroughly until it forms a consistent paste. Form this mixture into tight, air-free balls, then firmly press them into a clean fermentation crock. Ensure there are no air pockets. Cover the surface with plastic wrap and await to begin the fermentation process. Allow your miso to ferment at room temperature for a minimum of 3 months, though longer periods can deepen the flavor. Periodically check for mold on the surface. Simply scrape it off if present. Once fermented to your liking, transfer the finished miso into an airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will keep well for many months, ready for your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.